Hello, kids! I'm Leo. Today, we will discover some amazing baby dinosaurs.
Surprise! Surprise! Aye! Surprise!
Look! This is Dino. His name is Dino.
Surprise! 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 Look! This is Ptero. His name is Ptero. Surprise! 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 Wow! Look! This is Triky. His name is Triky. Surprise! Surprise! Look! Look! This is Steggy. His name is Steggy. Surprise! Surprise! Wow! This is Velo. His name is Velo.
Wow, kids! We met so many cute baby dinosaurs today. Bye-bye. See you next time.